don't know now. Oh my God, that's really, really so sweet of you. Thank you so much. So I just,
Yeah, hi, good evening, ma'am.
how are you?
Yeah, I am very excellent.
That's really cool. Okay, so I just teach you new word, how to reply when someone is asking to you,
Mm-hmm,
how are you, or how have you been? So you
mm-hmm,
also can say, I
mm-hmm,
am fine, I am
mm-hmm,
good, I'm happy. It is simple. Okay. You also
mm-hmm.
can say, I am ecstatic, ecstatic,
Ecstatic. Yeah,
ex,
ecstatic.
ecstatic,
Ecstatic.
static.
Static, na? Ecstatic.
Exactly. Ecstatic means you are really, really so much happy and crazy.
Yeah,
You are really ecstatic. Second
yeah.
is you also can say, I am fantastic, or you also can say, I am fit and fiddle.
Fit and fidden.
Fit and fiddle. F
Yeah,
I,
I am
yes,
fit and fidden.
absolutely, absolutely, fit and fiddle. Okay.
Yeah,
So now just try to tell about you when someone is asking to you, Prashant, how are you? So don't say in a simple way that I am good, I am fine, I'm like okay. Don't say. Just try to be a little, different so that people also can think, oh my God, Prashant, you're doing really great. And you are using a new words, fascinate word. So definitely by that things you can be habitual. You can be habitual to
yes, yes.
consume rich words
Mm-hmm,
while the speaking time. Okay.
mm-hmm,
It is
mm-hmm.
really, really easy to use new fancy word. Okay.
Yeah, absolutely sure. Definitely, I will.
That's really cool. So, how's your family?
Yeah, my family is absolutely well.
That's
And
good. Okay, that's good. Okay, so one thing, please give me 1 second. Actually, yeah, hi everyone. Good evening to all of you, and you're the most welcome, awesome, blossom English learner. Today we are talking to each other. Actually, this is a simple conversation, but you also can see when someone will ask you some question and how to reply and how to react on that questions. So that of course you also can make conversation with anyone. You also can make confabulation with anyone so that of course you also can get how to reply in english, how to how to what, how to action and reaction everything in english. So it is really really important because it's easy, that question so simple, but if you will think when you will reply, so some people so much hesitate. Don't be hesitate. English will not eat you. English just a language like as your mother tongue. So just enjoy and you just think how to reply and how to ask the questions to someone. Okay. So, uh, Prashant, as you know, that conversation is public conversation. As you comfortable now,
yeah, yeah, now it's comfortable and well. Yeah.
that's really great. So, Prashant, are you students or working person?
Yeah, ma'am, I am a working person.
That's cool. So, what kind of work do you do?
Yeah, I do medical representative, you know. I am medical representative and yeah, I am doing in pharma industry.
That's cool. Okay. So, as you know, as you told to me that you are doing work into the medical
Representative.
represented. Could you please a little introductions about your company? Actually, I want to know that what kind of work do you do in the company?
Mhm. Actually, yeah, uh, my company is made some medicine and especially deal in orthopedic and peripheral artery disease as well as antibiotic also. You know.
And what kind of role you do in your company?
Sorry, I didn't
What
catch up the voice.
what
Mm-hmm.
kind of work do you do?
Yeah,
in
yeah,
your
I
company?
do.
What's your responsibility in your in your
Yeah, yeah,
company?
yeah, I get. Yeah, I got your question. Yeah, that means my job objective, you know. Yeah, my job objective is that actually, company, yeah, my company makes some medicines related to, yeah, related to peripheral artery disease. So I go to the doctor chamber, and in front of doctor chamber I discuss some scientific initiative, and as well as uh, benefits of molecules and molecules MRP, and how to decide medicines dose, and how can you given dose your patient. So in which manner?
Okay. What do you think? Are you really very comfortable with this job?
No, no, ma'am. I want to say I didn't comfortable much with this job, because it's my opinion. Never, yeah, ne, ne, people should never comfortable his and her job, because when you have comfortable with any situation, and then you go to comfort zone. So never comfortable your job and any types of thing, but little more comfortable. I You do not say comfortable, but little more, yeah. Satisfaction is must. If you not
Okay.
satisfaction your job, and if you not satisfaction in your any types of activity, after that you suffering from anxiety and depression as well.
Definitely, definitely. So it is really very best options if you are really very comfortable and you would love your job, definitely. You can continue. Otherwise, you cannot continue your job. You also can be, depressed in your mind. And
Yeah, absolutely.
just because of
Mm-hmm.
anxiety, you are not working very well into the
Mm-hmm.
company, right?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely, ma'am.
That's cool. So, can I know about your family?
Yeah, there are five member in my family, and my parents, and my elder brother and his wife, and me.
Okay.
That's
And what about your sister?
yeah,
What
actually,
about your sister?
yeah, yeah. My sister got married, so all these live his family, her family. Yeah,
That's cool. How many siblings do you have?
yeah. I have five siblings.
Five siblings. Wow, that's
Uh,
cool. The how many brothers do you have included with you?
yeah, yeah. I have included with me. Yeah, actually, I have one elder brother. So
Mhm.
yeah,
One elder brother, and second is
and
you, and three
so
sister. Three sister.
three sister. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's
They all got married.
wow. That's really great. So, could you please tell me, like your father's professions? What do you do? What do your father do?
Yeah, my father was Ayurvedic doctor, but now
Wow.
he's retired, you know, and living with us in Delhi.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah,
So, like he was in, his doc, your father is a doctor, and he was working into the hospital, or he had own
no, no, his
clinic.
own clinic. Yeah, his all
Wow,
own.
that's really cool, really cool.
Yeah, thank
So,
you.
what do you think about his profession? Actually, is really, really perfectly at his profession or not?
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
I'm just asking to you, what do you think that your father is really, really great at his profession or not?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely great, and it is good profession, and I inspire with my father. So after that, I will also choose in this sector.
That's cool. Yeah, yeah. It's fun when your father is something and your son is also following, parents' steps. Yeah, it is,
Yeah, so second
especially in
chance.
Indian family, it is okay. Yeah, yeah. It is a kind of trend, I can say. Have you ever seen in your life that a lot of patients sometimes so much crazy to take medicine only and only one doctor because the doctor's medicines working into the disease according to the patients. And sometimes, what can I say, especially in the village, if especially in Ayurvedic field, I'm discussing, if your father is doing really great and his medicine is working into the patient's life, so definitely, patient also like come far from your house. Like some is coming in Delhi, from Delhi, some is coming from Nepal, some is coming means
Yeah,
another city.
absolutely. Absolutely, ma'am. Yeah, I will agree definitely.
So have you ever
And ma'am,
seen?
that time also, actually, my father had been working since 1984. That
Wow.
time, actually, that time, very less numbers of doctors in India. So Ayurvedic and allopathic as well. So that
Absolutely.
time, yeah, yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. So your mama is homemaker or like working? She's also working.
No, no, she's a homemaker.
That's good. That's good. That's really, really, honorable job for ladies. I really hats off to your mother.
Thank you,
So,
ma'am.
and your brother. So your elder brother, actually, he's also working, and as you told me that he's married, right? So means
Yeah,
he has a lot of responsibility. Uh, he has also lot of responsibility towards his family and towards your as a younger brother. He also had having. And so, could you please tell me about your brother's nature?
yeah. His nature is very good and cool.
Wow.
Yeah, and as well as cooperative nature, I want to say.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Now, don't worry that you cannot show your this video to your brother. It is okay. He will not beat you. Okay. So about your brother's wife, she is also doing work, or she's also like only and only like completely house homemaker.
No, no, she's doing work like
Ah.
yeah, she's teacher.
Tell me about your sister. They all are married, and they all are. I'm talking about your sister. So they all are working, or they all are actually really very happy in their life as homemaker.
Yeah, yeah, they all, yeah, homemakers.
Okay, so and they are really happy.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
That's cool. Okay, so can I know about your what's your plans? You just what kind of plan you have decided in your life for next 5 years? What do
Yeah,
you
absolutely.
what do you want to complete in your life in next 5 years, especially in your professional life?
Yeah, ma'am, absolutely. I will describe it.
Hmm.
So, yeah, my short-term goal is that I want to, uh, I want to learn English, and I want to become English in good fluency. So that's why I practicing consistently. And yeah, then I able to speak in English with fluency, and I able to describe anything, and I speak with everyone. And as well as after that, I will also work uh, uh, work to communication. You know, Then my communication and as well as English is good. And after that, I promote myself in same sector. So
Mm-hmm.
my aim is, yeah, my short-term goal is I become first line manager in 2022, last 2022, last month of 2020. So
That's
yeah,
good.
that's why, yeah, that's why I'm
Okay.
working hard.
So you want to be manager in the next year till last 22, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And
And I know.
yeah, you said after 5 years. So after 5 years, I want to become zonal manager. You know,
Wow.
yeah, man.
That's cool. That's cool. So, like, you want to be manager. So, is it not possible? Like, is it not possible that you also can be a manager without English communications? What do you think about that? Miss, you are
Ma'am,
learning
yeah,
English communication just because of be manager, or what kind of purpose do you have to enhance English communications?
yeah, I will be without English communication, but in that they will get much time, you know. And after the learn communications and as well as take easy, uh, I take easy its hierarchy. You know? So yeah, that's why.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. But I will really appreciate you that you are really, really doing great and you are going a really very good way and you are grabbing really, very good platform as well. So this is really, really appreciable for you as well.
Thank
So,
you, ma'am.
and now what do you think about your marriage? In next 5 of year, when I just asked about your career, but you didn't include your personal life. So you also want to get married in next year or not? In next 5 years, you also want to get married or not?
Ma'am, actually nowadays I didn't think about those types of things. Actually, I fully concentrate on my goal, and I very busy and work as well as when I have got time, and that time I practicing English. So yeah, you can say I never get time think about that.
Okay, that's really great. So have you gotten, actually it is a really very, different questions what I just asked you.
Mhm.
Have you gotten any proposal by any girl, a special girl, and that's really, really so much crazy behind you? And she also saying to you that Prashant, I cannot wait for you. So I will wait for you, when you are free from your career. So have you got any girl?
Yeah, I had, but nowadays I am neutral.
Okay, okay, okay. That's really great. Okay. So, you also you also propose to anyone or not till now? I got it. I got it. Your intentions your intention and you're full of focus on your career, and that's why you are really doing great and you are improving to yourself English communications, right? I got that. But yeah, because we are human beings, so of course sometimes it's imbalance. So, have you ever proposed to anyone?
No, no, ma'am, I didn't think about actually. My profession is also uh, very professional. So yeah, and you doing you yeah deserve and a good etiquette. So I have not got time and that types of things. So I never thought about that. You know,
Okay.
as well as I am very responsible person. So I take responsibility
I
so
can
much.
say, after listening to you, I can say that you are really, really, having a really, really good family and you are really very, moral son, and yeah, of course, I can say that about you are really, really great.
And some people who take responsibility in earlier,
Earlier,
and
yeah.
Yeah, some people they have take responsibility. Yeah, after 30 years, I can say. Yeah, after
Yeah,
30
yeah,
years. So, but I have take responsibility earlier.
that's
So,
cool. That's cool. Glad to hear you. So,
thank
Prashant, like suppose I just give you some hypothetical situations, and
you.
you just think first, and after that you will have to reply. Okay.
Mhm,
Suppose, like you want to focus on your career, and you
mhm.
are doing really, you are doing. But in this case, right now it's containing 21 or 22.
21, yeah.
21, that's cool. Oh, I just forgot. Okay, so if we are in 21, and suppose you also got a girl, and she is really, really according to your mind, like what kind of mentality you have having, and
Mhm,
according to your taste, according to your desire or dream as well. So
mhm.
you also, you get a girl that type of according to you, like what kind of that you want in your life. So like what do you think, that you just prefer to propose her or not, or like maybe you just give the time to yourself? What do you like, what will you do that time? Suppose tomorrow, I just say tomorrow, or like after 1 month, after couple of months, I'm just saying, before being manager, before being manager, and you also like is suddenly and fortunately a girl is come in your life, and what do you think, that you will prefer to propose her or not?
Yeah, ma'am, first
If
of all,
she,
I want to say,
listen, if she is really really doing great, and according to you she is perfect for your family, she is perfect she is perfect, she is so much perfect with you
mm,
in the future, and according to you, and she is so much educated, and she's also having English communications, and she has a really very good family as well, miss, according to you, whatever you want in your life,
mm,
especially about the wife, so if you just got that, so what will you do, that you will have to propose, or you will have to wait for a time?
yeah. So, ma'am, I want to say, yeah, I do not have purpose. I didn't have
Okay.
purpose her, and I refer to my parents, and yeah. So if my parents take any initiative, I agree. He do
Yeah.
not take any initiative, I don't agree.
Okay,
So
okay, that's
nowadays I totally depend on my parents, like these types of situations. So I
that's
never
really great.
take decision. Yeah, I never take decision on myself.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. So now I want to ask one question, that you are improving in English communications. So
Mhm.
what kind of practice you are doing? Could you please explain about your communications?
Yeah,
Like you told that you are practicing, right? So like when when had you started your journey in English communications?
yeah. I started my journey English speaking practice. So English speaking practice I started uh, 2000 August 15 August 2021. Just recently I started
15 August 2021 or 20?
21.
Wow, that's really
But
cool.
earlier, ma'am, but earlier I known about grammar and modals rule. No?
Okay.
Only 15 August onwards I practice do more. Then I have got time, and then I practice. That means only speaking practice.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
So
English
what
and
kind of, okay, that's really great. So could you please tell me, like before your English journey, before your English practice, when you are not, when you were not actually so much conscious relate this language. So before 15 August, you also like could speak even single word in English or not?
Yeah, yeah,
Like you
I
also
speak.
can. Okay, just
Yeah,
please go
I
ahead.
spoke. Yeah, yeah, ma'am, I spoke a little more in any meetings, in professional meetings, something. But I didn't speak fluent in a fluency, and sometimes I forget words do not come in mind. You know, that types of happen. I blanked out when I speak anything, and when I speak in front of doctor and that time I speak some sentence, after that I blank. You know, that types of how happened with me. And actually English was my passion, you know. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah.
That's really great. Okay, actually, Prashant, just as you told that you know a little English, you already had conversation with your colleagues, means with your good doctor as well, and with your friends as well into the company, right? So, you already had continued with them in English language, but what's happened that you're really became crazy to speak with fluent way. What is the reason behind that? That your working was going on, but you, right now I just think that you are really passionate. You wanted to speak in English. You want to speak in English as a frequently mode. Okay, you want to be, I can say you want to be a good speaker, right? So like, but how, what the happened with you? Like what do you think in deeply that one day I will also speak in English, and you just started your practice because you right now you don't have time because you're working, but still you are giving time. So what is
Mhm.
the reason behind that?
Yeah, well, reason is that, ma'am. So sometimes I do not spoke on sometimes, but oftentimes company conduct meeting like get together meeting, and in that times lots of people came in meeting.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Okay.
say like all parts of India, like South Indians, yeah, some people from Telangana. So they
Mm-hmm.
spoke only English, and if you have English, you contact them. If you have not English, you do not able to contact them.
Okay,
So
I
yeah,
got that.
yeah, and any molecules we have launched, and any molecule new molecules come in yeah, comes in my company in market. So also uh, trainee managers and PMT departments, product managers, they described only English. You know, they describe English and they speak to only English. If you have good English knowledge, you can raise any question and you can describe anything. But some people know about Bell, but they didn't able to describe anything because they have not good English.
Yeah, yeah. So
So
have you
mostly
ever.
in my profession, yeah, ma'am, sorry. In my profession, mostly people speak English. When he become manager, after that, without English, they do not survive in his career. And
as a
I would,
as a manager post, they cannot stuck as a manager post if they don't know how to speak in English, isn't it?
yeah, absolutely. And every day, yeah, and every day I will send mail, two, three, four mail. You know,
Mm-hmm.
so mailing is much important in my job. So every day I mail to HO, I mail to manager, I make some format and mail and discuss about lots of things on mail.
That's really cool. That's really cool. Now I got that. Okay. So Prashant, actually, I want to know one thing that have you ever
Mhm.
experienced in your life when you just started job into the company? So have you ever experienced really very bad experience and you you used to have on yourself so much embarrassing because you couldn't speak English well.
No, I never, because then I prepared for job, and that time I remember how to interview and how to correct interview, you know.
Okay.
So I just mug up and then go for an interview, and I start. My name is this. There are five family in my family, and I have done B pharmacy, and I have 1 year's experience in these types of. I mug up and then I put them there.
Okay, that's really cool. Really cool. Great things. Okay. So next question is, and I'm so much crazy to ask you questions, and I'm really happy actually. You are really doing really you are performing very well, really very well. Miss, you just started your English 15th of August 2021. But right now, I can say that I cannot feel that you just started so soon. You just started not a couple of months. You just started your journey in English communication, and that's why you are practicing continuously for couple of months. But
Yeah.
you're really doing. You are speaking very well, and you are speaking in front of the camera, and you are speaking. You know that this conversation as a public conversation, and I upload this conversation on the YouTube channel, as you know, but you are not be hesitate, and you are replying very smoothly, and your answers crystal and clear. I love that. I love that.